With Higgsfield, it's now possible to create an AI influencer, post short-form content, and monetize it through a single workflow. This is a brand new feature they just launched, and it connects character creation, motion, and monetization in one place.
AI influencers are becoming a real content category, and the difference now is it's not just about generating a cool character, it's about building a consistent persona you control, and then monetizing content with it. Higgsfield has launched two things: AI Influencer Studio, where you create and control original AI influencer characters with a crazy amount of customization, and Higgsfield Earn, where you can upload your content links and start earning directly through Higgsfield.
So in this video, I'll do it end-to-end on screen. Create a brand new influencer from scratch, bring them to life with motion, and show the Earn platform and how the workflow works. By the end, you'll understand the exact pipeline: build, animate, post, earn. I've tried a lot of AI tools that generate random characters, but the problem is consistency, quality, motion control, and so on. If your influencer changes face, proportions, or identity every time, you don't have a brand, you have random content. What I like about this new approach is the idea of a unified character builder. You're not just prompting once, you're building a persona with 90+ parameters and then using motion control to bring that exact persona to life. And the key phrase here is original digital persona. Hyper-realistic, stylized, weird, futuristic, creature hybrid, whatever. The character is yours.
All right, let's build an AI influencer from scratch. I'm doing this fully inside AI Influencer Studio, and I'll keep everything realistic so this workflow works for real content, not experiments. The first thing I like here is that you're not just generating a random face, you're actually defining a base identity, step by step, so the character stays consistent later. I'm starting by choosing a human character. Then I pick the gender and the general origin as a starting point. This doesn't lock anything forever, it just gives me a solid foundation to work from. After that, I set basic things like skin tone and eye color. The goal is for this to feel like a real creator you'd actually see on social media. There's also an option to add extra details to the skin or change the age category. I'll select an adult. What's important is that once this base is set, I can generate the character and save it as my main model. This is the face I'll reuse again and again across images, videos, and motion. And if you prefer more control, there's also a prompt-based workflow. I'll type in a detailed description of the persona, the look, the mood, the style, and you'll see exactly how that works on screen.
All right, so this is the character we just generated. At first glance, this already looks like real UGC content. Natural lighting, casual setting, and a very believable social media presence. What I like here is that this doesn't feel over-designed. The proportions are realistic, the facial expression is subtle, and the overall vibe is exactly what performs well on platforms like Instagram and YouTube Shorts. Now, from here, I can start refining the character without breaking the identity. I can jump back into editing and adjust individual elements, things like facial structure, body proportions, and overall style, all while keeping the same person. I can use Nano Banana Pro for editing as well. From here, the next step is bringing this character into motion, turning a static image into short, realistic videos that are actually ready to post.
Up until now, we created a static character. This is where that character actually comes to life. The idea here is very simple. Instead of guessing animations or relying on generic movements, I can copy motion from real videos and apply it directly to my AI influencer. So I can either upload my own reference video, or I can pick one from the built-in motion library. These are real, natural movements: head motion, body language, hand gestures, the stuff that makes content feel human. Once I select a motion, the system maps that movement onto my character. The face stays the same, the proportions stay the same, only the motion changes.
I can also control the scene and the resolution, either HD or Full HD. Let's go ahead and generate the video.
And this is the result. It's the same character, the same identity. Nothing changes visually. The motion looks natural, the timing feels human, and the movement follows the reference exactly. It doesn't feel animated. It feels performed. That's what makes this usable. You're not recreating a character every time. You're reusing one persona and simply changing how it moves. For short-form content, this level of realism is everything. Now the content is actually ready to post, which is where the monetization part comes in next.
Once you've created your AI influencer and generated videos, the next step is publishing. You post the content on your own Instagram or YouTube account, just like you would with any normal video. After that, you move into Higgsfield Earn. The first thing you do here is connect your social account. You choose whether you're posting to Instagram or YouTube, enter your username, and verify ownership. There's no waiting period, no manual approval. It's a very straightforward process. Once your account is verified, you can start submitting videos. You simply paste the link to the video you already posted, and Higgsfield starts tracking its performance. This is what makes the system interesting. You're not uploading content to Higgsfield. You're publishing on your own platforms, building your own pages, and still getting rewarded through the Earn program. Inside the dashboard, everything is very clear. The entire flow is basically 3 steps. You log in and verify your account, you post your AI influencer video, and then you get paid based on performance. What I like about this approach is that you're not locked into a single platform. You're building your own audience, your own profiles, and Higgsfield sits on top as a monetization layer. So at this point, the full pipeline is complete. You create the influencer, you bring it to life with motion, you post the content on Instagram or YouTube, and then you monetize it through Higgsfield Earn.
So yeah, that's the full workflow from start to finish, from building the character to bringing it into motion to actually monetizing the content. If this was useful and gave you a clearer picture of how AI influencers work, hit the like button. It really helps the channel. Subscribe if you want more content like this, and let me know in the comments what you think about this whole space. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.